Hi everyone, this is Haley Ashcroft for CIT 336. Right here on the screen I have my template for the ACME webpage we were supposed to create. So as you'll notice here, I have the name of the website, ACME. Off to the right, the My Account button goes here. I have this navigation bar. It's responsive to the hovering effect, so the color changes as my mouse kind of rolls over and hovers over some of these navigation menu items. I have my content title here. The template, we're not supposed to put any of the actual content information within it, so this is just like the bare bones. So content title goes here. I have the footer bar. You'll notice as I change the browser window size that this template is responsive to the changes. So if we shrink it, you'll notice the footer bar, the text stays aligned down the center. My account stays put to the right, and the name of the website as well as the navigation bar are they're in a fixed position, they don't move. And the navigation bar menu expands all the way to the edge even as the browser window changes, and the My Account will always stay to the right at the top. So that's kind of how the template looks. To design the homepage, I copied over this code here onto a separate file called home.php and then designed from there. So this is what the homepage looks like. So you'll notice it looks very similar to the template, except now we've got a whole lot going on here in the middle. So this homepage, it is responsive in the browser. So same thing as the template. When I change the screen size, then different things happen on this browser window. So you'll look at this view. This would be the equivalent of the mobile view for the website. So we have this banner image here in the middle. It stays pretty small for the mobile view, and we have all the text that's on top of it that stays to the right of the main picture of the rocket. But the text pretty much fills up half of that banner picture because the mobile view is so small. Right beneath that we have ACME Rocket Reviews. It goes above the featured recipes. And then as we scroll down, we have the same footer bar that was in the template. Each of these featured recipes are links. So we have these little link sections of text underneath the pictures, which is important to look at. Once again, we have the hovering effect for the navigation menu. As we increase the screen size, so this would be for the medium screen view, you can kind of see right there, that the picture changes. So this banner picture, it gets a little bit bigger because of media queries, and it allows it to fit better on the screen for a medium screen view. Once again, we have the text that fills up pretty much half of the banner image, except now you can see there's a lot more space here in the middle. If you'll also notice, right beneath the banner image, the featured recipes is now next to the AMC or ACME Rocket Reviews. So it changed the order. In the mobile view, Rocket Reviews was on top, featured recipes on bottom. Medium view, featured recipes to the left, Rocket Reviews on the right. And as you increase the size of the browser window even more, to the large screen size, this is what it would look like. The banner image gets really big, but everything else pretty much stays the same. We have featured recipes to the left, Rocket Reviews to the right. So all of this is done with valid HTML and CSS. I plugged it into the validation service online for CSS and HTML, and there were no errors for any of it. Yeah, and I think that is pretty much it. My site is responsive and it is valid. Thank you for watching.